I turned 40 on the 4th, you guys. That means that I've had 40 years of lessons, good and bad relationships, heartbreak, wins, losses, and everything in between. I've lived long enough to care for a child and care for a dying parent. I've lived long enough to go through ups and downs in relationships. I've lived long enough to survive a marriage and a separation. I've lived to see my miracle baby be alive, name her after my mother who passed away, and see her every day as a reminder of how beautiful just life is. This part of my life is getting VB back. This part of my life is putting me first. This part of my life is figuring out what's next. This part of my life is having fun and turning up and living life with new friends. This part of my life is called rediscovering me. I've always loved me. I've always liked me. I just had to remember what was so great about me. Has anybody else been there? It's cool, because I think that we all are. But you know, I didn't want to be in hiding anymore. I didn't want to not share with you guys what I was going through. I wasn't ready for you guys to keep asking me when I was going to come back online and when I would start posting again. The truth is, I lost it. I lost myself, I lost my vigor, and I almost lost my joy until good family and friends, were there to constantly remind me who and whose I am. Can I get an amen? I just want to show you guys that life isn't perfect. I want to show you that you can have dreams of going on Broadway and choosing a relationship over that may or may not work and starting over again at 40. I want to show you that you can still take all the passions and desires in your heart and live them out. I want to show you that you can be a multi-hyphenate just like me. You don't have to niche down. You don't have to be just one thing. You can be that all God gave you and all God made you to be. So this part of my life, I'm fighting for Vivi. I'm fighting for her, y'all. And I'm going to get her back. And I'm going to show you guys little by little what that means. I've survived parent loss, separation. I've survived the car getting stolen. I've survived all of my social media networks being hacked. And here I am rebuilding. It took a long time to get here. But honestly, y'all, I'm glad I'm here. So here's to the next 40. Here's to making life great. And here's to doing everything that you want to do under the sun. I started a social group for women called Mom's Group or Mom Friends DMV, where all we do is post events and try to make it our business to get together, to provide love, sisterhood, support, to provide care, to provide a village that we may or may not have, to be everything that we need for each other and for ourselves and for our children. It's a beautiful thing, y'all. But now, I just kind of want to rest and have some fun. I spent so much of my life working in New York Fashion Week and doing so many things and working in luxury weddings and working in the celebrity arena and just chasing what I thought was what I wanted. And then I had Luna and life changed. And so here I am, comforting my own self, rocking myself to sleep, breathing in and out, taking those deep breaths that I should have, and turning up. Because you know what? Life is about having fun. And honestly, I've always been that girl. And I'll continue to be her. So, let's get it. Love you.